In this video, I want to show you how to zip and submit your GIS data in ArcGIS Pro. This is very important, especially when you want to submit your GIS practical, assignment or course. So, in this exercise, I'll demonstrate it to you the best way to do it to avoid mistake. Just as you know that GIS data is not single file, it has supporting file for it to open accurately in any GIS software. So if you don't properly zip it, it can lead to error. So I'll show you how to go about it in this video. For example, in my GIS data folder, if I open it, I have this series of files. Now, assuming I want to submit it to my supervisor or professor, let me show you how to best do it. So let's go back to ArcGIS Pro. Now, if I come to catalog, I'll come under computer and I'll go to this tutorial folder. Let me come to my GIS data. Here is it. If I click on it, you can see the data here, Kaduna roads, which is the one displaying here. Now let's assume I want to submit this very data. So the best thing to do, go to your folder, create a new folder. Let me just call it first and last name. So I've created a new folder called first and last name. Now let's go back to GIS interface. Now if I come back to catalog and come to this GIS data, I'll right click and click on refresh. You can see that the folder I created, which is first and last name, has been displayed. So what I can do, I'll right click Kaduna roads, which is my data, and copy it. Then I'll paste it inside this folder. Right click and paste. After pasting, if I click on this collapse, you can see that Kaduna road, which is my data, has been pasted inside the folder. Now I can go back to verify. If I come back to this folder, double click, you can see that the files or my GIS data has been created inside this folder. Now I can equally rename it if I wish to. So to do that, let's go back to our GIS interface. Come back to catalog. This very Kaduna road, I can choose to rename it. If I want to rename it, I can rename it from here. For example, let me just name it first and last name. So I've renamed it as first and last name. So if I go back to my folder, you can see that it has been updated accordingly. So one thing to note, when you are renaming, rename your data inside GIS interface, that is inside ArcGIS. Don't rename it outside because that can lead to corruption of your data. Now after I've done this, the next thing to do now is to go back to my folder. I can go a step backward and right click my folder and add it to archive. Then I'll select zip and then zip it. This will create a zip file. So I can now send this as a single file to my supervisor or professor. And to be on the safer side, I can verify my data by double clicking. It will open it like this, then double click again. You will see all your files are intact inside. So I can close this. Then I can now send this to my supervisor through email or whichever means. So this is the best way to zip your GIS data and submit it. Thank you for watching.